Inazi Jesu. Ah, Inazi Jesu. Inazi Jesu. Irak mama bore. Inadora me urieliago. Wenda gome freeway ne. Inazi Jesu. Oh my goodness, I love this music. Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon. To be long, I have not dropped any video on my YouTube channel, so I decided to come today and I drop just short as usual. No, don't worry, this one will be very short, not like before, like 1 hour or 45 minutes. No, this one will not be like that. This one will be very, very short. Okay. So my beautiful people, there are so many people who have been asking me about this an amazing booster. We call it Boo Boo Star. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to share with you how I use it. This is it. Okay. So we have to, okay, this is it, guys. And this is my lovely, So, guys, you can see the changes. Looking at me right now, you can see that there is a big changes right now. So, if you really want to know if there is changes or not, go to my YouTube channel. The first video I dropped, remember, that my first video, I invite my friends to, I said, let's do this together. I just started this thing and I want to see how it works. Like, people tell me that it works like magic. I really want to give it a try. I want to see how it works, and I share it with you guys. So if you really want to know if there is a big difference with the way I look right now, go to my YouTube channel and watch my first video. Then you will see if there is a difference or not. Okay, you can also go to my Facebook. I have dropped so many new pictures there. You can actually go there and watch. Okay, you can go there and watch. Just go to my platform, see all my pictures. There's no problem, there's no big deal for that. So let's just talk about what brings us here. Let's just go on about what brings us here. So this is it. This booster helps us burn down our stubborn fats in our tummy, in our body, those stubborn fats. This also helps us bring down our calories which we have been eating. We love eating rice. Let's just be, sincere. We love eating rice, guys. Rice is calories, yes, because there are a lot of starch on it. Rice and pounded yam, that is it's normal. Semolino is what we eat. Semola, swallow things is what we eat. So those things are not too good for us. I always talk about that. Even me that I'm talking to you right now is my favorite, is what I like eating. Is what I love eating. I love eating rice. Those things I just mentioned right now is my food. But right now, guys, I have started controlling it too, because any woman that is above 30 years old, once you are more than 30 years and you are going, we have to control what we eat, because there are many things that will be coming out which you have not been experienced before when you were like 20 or 15 or 26, 25. You will not be experiencing those things. But the moment you cross 30, Trust me, guys. There are many things that will change inside you as a woman. I know what I'm saying, guys. So many things will change. There are many things. Everything, you yourself will be surprised. What is it? I have not. What is wrong? You will start seeing different. And we are not praying for that. So instead of us to prevent those things, let's go for these things. The way we eat. Let us maintain the way we eat. First is what we eat. First, that is the key of all. What we eat is the key of everything. What we eat is the key, guys. What we put in our stomach is the key of all. The moment we control what we eat, before we start cooking, what is my health benefit of this thing that I'm going to prepare today? What is my health benefit? What am I going to benefit from these things? Check. Take a look at it. Shake it very well before you start cooking it. Because the moment you don't cooking, the next thing is just for you to eat. Because as for me, it's what I do. The moment I'm done cooking, I just want to eat. Especially when I'm hungry, when I'm tasting, when I really want to eat. Okay, guys. So let's just maintain what we eat. It's very, very important. What we eat and the time we eat. You know, I do say that night food is forbidden. It's not good at all. Whether you are fat, whether you are slim, it does not change anything, guys. Being fat, being lekba, does not change nothing. It doesn't mean you are not fat, you are slim, so you can eat at any time you want. No, guys. You don't eat at night, especially keep eating. You eat late. It's very, very bad. Eating late is a very, very bad. As in, when I say bad, I mean bad. Because those things, I don't even know how they attach to those bad things we have experienced right now. Yes, those bad feelings we are feeling from our body, those food we eat late, we attach to those things. Because imagine when you are about going to bed and you just don't eating, those food is not going to digest, guys. Trust me. You can just sit down, thought about it. That food is not going to come down because you just don't eat it and you're going to bed. Think about it. Maybe, for example, when you even don't eat it, you did not even take any fruit to bring that food down. Nothing like cafe, nothing like fruit. You don't even drink a lot of water. So how do you expect that food to come down? It's not possible, guys. So, my beautiful people, let's maintain the way we eat. It's very important. Okay? So, this is my booster, and I'm going to show you guys how I make my booster. Remember, this thing helps us in bringing those calories down, burn those stubborn fats, those oil, those fried things. You know, we like eating stew much. We like those fried things. We like those. When I mean, you know what I'm talking about. You that is going to watch this video, you know exactly what I'm saying. Those fried things, those as in like fried plantain, fried meat, fried fish, everything of fry. Those oil, they are not going out. They are installing inside our stomach. Those oil, they have nowhere to go. They are inside our stomach. Okay, guys. So this very booster will help you bring those things down. Not just this, but there's other thing that attached to it. If you want the one for flat tummy, you want your tummy to flat, you want your tummy to go down, come for this booster. It will burn down those calories. It will burn down those oil. It will burn down those stubborn fats those stubborn oil that refuse to leave your stomach. Those stubborn fats that refuse to just leave your body. This will help you for that. This very booster will help you for that. It will help you bring those calories down. It will help you bring those oil, melt those oil, guys. When you come for this one, I will tell you how to use it. If you follow my instruction, the way I instruct you to use it, you will see the result less than 1 week. You will start seeing the result the moment you start taking it, guys. But on one condition, that you take it the way I tell you. I instruct you to take it. Because there are many people that are saying, Juice Plus is not working. Juice Plus, when you stop it, you will now get fat more than before. Guys, let's be realistic here. You just bring your weight down. You just reduce some kilos from your body. Now you go back to those things you have been eating before. The way when you start taking these things, you were controlling it. Now you see the good result. Now you don't want to keep on, even if you are not taking these things again. The moment that tummy is already down, your weight lost, you have lost so many kilos, you like your body right now. Control the way you used to control it before. Normal thing, the way you used to do. Maybe, for example, before you eat, this is what I'm going to eat. This one is good for me. This one is good. Carry on. Keep it up. Keep doing it. If you really want to see the result, guys, keep doing it. The way you used to control yourself, keep control. Even if you are not taking this one anymore, as how you have taken it, maybe you bought it so many times, now you can see that there's a big difference. Now you want to stop it. Yeah, of course you can stop it. You can stop it and carry on the way you used to control your body, the way you used to control your food, the way you used to control what you eat. Carry on with that. You can see that there is no fatness that is coming from nowhere. Your tummy is not going to be as far as you are controlling it. Because I met someone that told me that, no, come on. As far as you are still maintaining it, it's not going to get big again. But after taking this, you can see that there's a big difference now. You go back to what you were eating before. Those calories, those things you have been eating that is bringing those errors. Now you now go back to those things and you started eating them. Then what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Now just look at me now. I'm trying to build myself. The moment I am done, the way I'm controlling it now, even if I'm not taking all these things anymore, but I know the way to control it so that I will not go back to where I'm coming from. Oh yes, guys. So I will expect you to do the same. You can do it. You can do it. So many of us, we are not born with fat. Even when we grow up, we started eating different things we like. Even when our mother brought us up, we were not like this. So many of us, after giving birth to many children, we find ourselves like this. What we have been eating. You know, when a woman gives birth newly, your mother will be calling you, my baby, please eat, oh, do this, oh, take this pepper soup, oh, take this one, oh, make sure you eat before you give that baby breast, oh, so that your baby will have a lot of milk to drink. Oh, girl. It is those things that put so many of us in this condition. We were not born like this. Me, I remember when I was growing up. Do you know what I call beautiful? Oh my goodness. When I mean beautiful, I was so beautiful. I was not fat, although I'm not tall. Yes, I'm not tall, but I was not fat. When you go to the back, you will know that God settled down, built me. But after giving birth, first, second, third, fourth, I find myself like this. So what do you want me to do? And now I'm trying to control everything to go back to my normal station. It's not easy. Guys, it is easy to eat whatever we want. I am telling you, it is easy to regain weight, but it's not easy for weight loss. I'm telling you, it's not easy. So when you've done anything to control your weight and you see the results, so be grateful, guys. So this is it. As I told you before, I just want this video to too long. This very booster, it helps us in so many things, guys. This booster will help us in so many things. As you are trying to lose weight, as you're trying to bring down those calories, as you're trying to bring down those stubborn fats, you're trying to bring down those oil in your stomach. This will help you for that. When you come for it, I will tell you how to use it. Then after 1 week, you will see the result. Let's go there. This is my water. You can see that. Okay. I got this. That's Jason. Have you still? Do you see this? Okay, this is it. Now, then when you leave this for like 10 or 15 minutes, it will become very thin. Do you know, like when you soak gari, you know gari, right? When you soak it, it should come, this one will become thin like that. This everything, this little thing you are seeing now, you can actually cut it the way you cut gari when you soak. You can cut it like this thing you are seeing now. So we're not going to leave it to soak. Immediately you just put it like this. You have to drink it, guys. Remember, with this thing I'm holding here, it will bring down those oil and it will help you not to eat much. Yes, because it's going to work inside your stomach. It's going to boost you not to eat much. When you cook, you don't eat much. How can you get fat, guys? How can your stomach big? You know, it's not going to big when you don't eat much. The moment you just eat a little thing like this, you are done eating and you are just okay. You forget about the food, so you will not get fat. With this, you can control your fat. With this booster here, you can actually control your fat, guys. With this one and the shake, instead of you eating in the morning, you take the shake, which is the chocolate, the one I used to make before. Instead of eating, you just take that one. You just make it, then you take it. After taking this one now, let me start drinking before it's too late. You see? You have to put water again to bring those things down. You see the water. This is another water now. So guys, this is it. Very simple. Okay, very simple. There are so many people who will be asking me a lot of questions about this thing, guys. So I decided to share with them this morning. This is the carton. I think it's about 120 pieces inside. Also, yes, like this now, like this. 1, 2, 120, two in one. So if you cut it like this, now it will be 200 and something inside. Actually, this one will last you for 4 months. Maybe you're taking it twice in a day. It will last you for like 2 or 3 months. Yes, and it's no cost. It's no cost at all. This is the most cheaper of franchise products. It's the most cheaper one, and it really work. It's working on. I will not lie to you. This thing is working. Okay. So the Premier Capsule and all that, guys. I've told you before, if you have been believing God for the fruit of womb, and if you go to the doctor check you, he tell you are all right, and the baby is not just coming. Please, guys, inbox me. I'm going to drop this thing on YouTube channel. When you watch it, you can inbox me, drop your number there. Anytime I come on board, I will take your number. I can call you. There are the video I do, and I drop my number there. I also drop my number there too. You can call me at any time. Okay. So guys, there is a way you will take this product that it will work. 1 week you will start seeing the result. You yourself, you will feel it that you are taking something. Okay, when you are taking it, your body will tell you that there is something you are taking. That is the truth, guys. That is the truth. So my beautiful lovely people, I'm going to leave you guys now. Please don't forget, I have not normally by now I'm supposed to at least 200 300 by now for subscribing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I am begging you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not go there, watch my video and leave without thumbs up. This one is very important. Drop your comment so that I will notify. The moment I get there, I will have the notify that you were there. When you drop your comment there, through that comment, I will know that someone come here. So person like this come here. Okay? Please, guys, I am begging you. Do not go to my YouTube channel, watch this video without subscribing for me. Oh my goodness. Please, subscribe for me. Subscribe for me. Please subscribe for your sister, for your friend, for whatever you call me. Okay? Please subscribe for me. Give thumbs up. Like my video. Whatever you don't like about this video, whatever that I'm doing right now that you know that you don't like it at all, maybe my video is too long, maybe I talk too much, maybe the way I explain it you don't like it, maybe you don't even love my English, I don't explain it the way you will understand, drop your comment. I'm going to notify all these things through your comments. Okay, I'm going to know all this through your comments. Please, guys, drop your comments. You don't see my gele today. Hey, you don't see. But mommy, you know I'm always like this. So my beautiful, lovely people, please, your thumbs up is very important. Drop your comments. So each time I go there, I will know someone like this come to my YouTube. So please, go to my page, watch this thing, and drop your thumbs up. Okay? Subscribe for your sister, guys. Please subscribe for your sister. Do not just watch and leave. It's very simple. That red button, click it and subscribe for me. Okay, just subscribe, drop your comment. As you do so, my heavenly Father, God in heaven, will bless you and reward you in a good way. Okay, it will bless you, give you more money so that you can do whatever you want to do. You can actually buy this thing. There are many people who want to order these things. They are looking about. They are thinking of, how will I get this money from? I don't have money, but I love this product. But how can I get it without money? I am telling you today that watching my video, subscribing on my YouTube channel, dropping your thumbs up, commenting, Heavenly Father will bless you. That same God that I call every day, morning, evening, and afternoon, the one I call before I go to my bed, He will bless you. He will double your pocket. He will give you more money. He will grant unto your heart's desire. He will meet you at the point of your need, guys, so you can have money to do whatever you want to do. Remember, God love you. God bless you. Watch and drop your thumbs up. Love you. Ciao.